Hello, hello. This is Dr. Kevin Pallas from the New Renaissance. I'm coming to Santa Fe to put on an intro workshop on October the 18th from 9 in the morning until noon. You know, with coaching north of 1,000 chiropractors, this common theme has emerged, if you will. Most DCs are focusing on all the wrong places and they're making their practices difficult when they don't have to be. No fun, no profit. And with my guidance and what to do and what to say to each patient, you're going to have true economic advantage in your office. And what does it mean? It means that every person that walks through your door is worth 3, 5, or 10-fold that exact same patient walking into the DC down the street store. That's incredible. And before you attend this workshop, you're going to fill out an office profile. What an eye-opener that's going to be. And a lot of people think, do you have a new patient problem or is it really a retention problem? I'm going to bet it's a retention problem. As counterintuitive, rather, as this sounds, you might not be charging enough. I know it sounds crazy, right? And this isn't about social media marketing. It's not a new piece of software. It's not about insurance adjusting. It's got nothing to do. You can use as many of them or none of them. It still works, okay? It's about communication and patient education. They're the permanent solutions to your problems, no matter how you practice and what technique. Step by step, taking you from where you are to where you want to be, right? The intent of the workshop is not to convince or prove to you how to practice. It isn't about how to gain a following on social media either. We know it can be useful, but there are many other factors at work that we have to focus on first, okay? And if you're tired of selling things to people, and if you really want to threefold, fivefold, or tenfold your income using pure chiropractic, this event will be a life-changing event for you. Many chiropractors want to do more than just adult pain relief. They want to take on difficult cases, kids, right? Wellness, and they just haven't been successful, so sometimes they go to these other things. But what if you could be successful doing what you know how to do best, right? Here's your chance, okay? Dr. Kevin out. I'm going to see you there.